Hey, Alex here with your real estate market update for August 14th, Sacramento and Placer counties. Let's start off by taking a look at this article from Money Magazine. So it's a little bit sensational, but sellers slash prices across pandemic area boom towns as the market resets. I really agree with the article, but I do see prices coming down, and we've noted that over the last year. Every single market update I've given you, we've looked at price declines and what those percentages are. So it goes on to say that rising inventories are driving prices down, basic supply and demand. But it does note that there are other markets where inventories are still rising, or I should say prices are still rising. In our market here in Sacramento, we are seeing price stability, and I'll show that in my market update here. Obviously, the biggest driver of the housing market is interest rates. And right now, a lot of buyers are sitting on the sidelines saying, look, I'm going to wait for interest rates to come down. Uh, how much more do they need to come down? We're at rates that we haven't seen all year. Interest rates are looking really good right now. So, my recommendation is if you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for rates to come down, you need to be proactive and get into your mortgage lender, be proactive in getting pre-qualified and ready to go down, ready to buy a house. Because if rates do come down by 1%, which is predicted at the next Fed meeting, you want to have your paperwork already in. How can we predict where the market's going? Well, this is housing starts, and you see this goes all the way back to the 1960s. You can see the Great Recession and how housing starts just fell through the floor. The pandemic right here, and now it's all the way up to 2025. And we say housing starts there starting to taper off, and this is directly reflected of the interest rates. So applying all this to our local market, we see homes for sale in the last 30 days up 7.9% in Placer County. New to market is down just about 1.5%. Days on market's at 53 days. It's up slightly. Price reductions, not as many as we've seen, 37% of the inventory in the last 30 days, which is significantly lower than we have seen. Sacramento County, we're seeing similar statistics on what's going on in the market. So here's what I see, guys. If the Fed lowers rates by 1% at the next open market committee meeting, I think that you're going to see a lot of people get off the fence. If we're going to go from low sixes to low 5%, a lot of people are going to get off the fence and say, now's the time to list. Now is the time to buy. And there's going to be that little slack time in between where you may be able to get a deal. You may be able to get a house at pre-rate reduction prices. So that's my market update this week. If you're wondering what your home is worth, you can just hit me up through my website, call me directly, send me a text, whatever you like. And then if you're looking for a house, you can search right here on my website. So that's my update for August 14th. Alex Dyer, eXp Realty right here, South Placer County. I'll catch you on my next update.